Hello, food lovers. Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore unique and delicious foods from around the world. Today it's time to talk about a fruit that's both tasty and incredibly good for you, the prickly pear. This vibrant fruit is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also packed with nutrients. You might know it as cactus fruit, but whatever you call it, this fruit is truly special. Its unique flavor and texture make it a standout in the world of fruits. Prickly pear season usually starts in late summer and goes into early fall. This is the perfect time to enjoy them at their peak ripeness. That's when these pears are at their juiciest and most flavorful. The taste is a delightful mix of sweet and slightly tangy, making it a refreshing treat. Imagine a fruit that thrives in the desert heat, soaking up the sunshine. That's the prickly pear. It's a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Prickly sounds painful. And yes, those spines can be quite intimidating. And you're right, those spines are no joke. They can be quite sharp and tricky to handle if you're not careful. But don't worry, I'll teach you how to handle them safely later on. With a few simple steps, you can easily remove the spines and enjoy the fruit without any hassle. For now, just know that the deliciousness inside is worth a little effort. The vibrant, juicy flesh is a reward in itself. Trust me, once you taste a perfectly ripe prickly pear, you'll be hooked. Its unique flavor and refreshing taste will leave you wanting more. So get ready to dive into the world of prickly pears and discover why this fruit is a true desert gem. Okay, let's get down to business. What makes prickly pears so great for you? These little guys are packed with fiber, which is important for keeping your digestion happy. We all want that, right? But wait, there's more. Prickly pears are also low in calories, so you can enjoy their sweetness without the guilt. They're like nature's candy, but without the sugar rush and crash. And here's a bonus. Some folks believe prickly pears can help control blood sugar levels. Now, I'm no doctor, but anything that helps keep our bodies balanced gets a thumbs up from me. Remember, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have any health concerns. Now, before you rush out to buy prickly pears by the bucket load, let's talk about a few things to keep in mind. Like I mentioned earlier, those spines are sharp. When handling prickly pears, always wear gloves to protect your hands. Also, be sure to remove the skin carefully before eating. Those tiny spines can get stuck in your skin or throat, and nobody wants that. And listen up, folks. Some people experience mild side effects like an upset stomach or diarrhea after eating prickly pears. It's probably a good idea to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. As always, if you have any concerns or experience any unusual symptoms, it's best to talk to your doctor. Safety first, my friends.
Section 5, AI and the pear. Now let's talk about something really cool, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is revolutionizing many fields, and agriculture is no exception. You might be wondering, what does AI have to do with prickly pears? Well, the connection is more fascinating than you might think. Believe it or not, AI is helping us learn even more about these amazing fruits. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can uncover patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. Scientists are using AI to study everything from the best ways to grow prickly pears to how to use them to develop new medicines. This involves looking at soil conditions, climate data, and even genetic information to optimize growth and health benefits. It's like having a super smart detective on the case, uncovering all the secrets of the prickly pear. This detective can sift through mountains of data in seconds, providing insights that can lead to breakthroughs in how we cultivate and use these fruits. For example, AI is helping farmers grow prickly pears more efficiently, using less water and fewer pesticides. By analyzing weather patterns and soil moisture levels, AI can recommend the optimal times for watering and applying treatments, reducing waste and environmental impact. This is great news for the environment and for people who want to enjoy delicious, sustainably grown fruit. Sustainable farming practices not only help preserve natural resources, but also ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy these nutritious fruits. It's amazing how technology and nature can work together to create a better future. By leveraging AI, we can make smarter decisions that benefit both the planet and our health. Who knows what other amazing discoveries about prickly pears AI will help us uncover in the years to come? The possibilities are endless, and as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the world of prickly pears.
Section 6. From Plant to Profit. The Prickly Pear Business. The journey of the prickly pear from the cactus to the consumer is a fascinating one, filled with innovation and opportunity. Okay, enough about science for now, let's talk business. The prickly pear industry is booming, and it's not hard to see why. Did you know that prickly pears are big business? These vibrant fruits are not just a staple in local markets but are also making waves globally. Yep, these little fruits are being turned into all sorts of delicious and profitable products. From the moment they are harvested, prickly pears are transformed into a variety of goods that cater to different tastes and needs. One of the most popular prickly pear products is juice. This refreshing beverage is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts. It's refreshing, slightly sweet, and packed with those amazing nutrients we talked about earlier. But that's not all. The versatility of prickly pears extends far beyond just juice. Prickly pears are also being used to make jams, jellies, candies, and even alcoholic beverages like prickly pear margaritas. These products are gaining popularity in gourmet stores and specialty shops. And let's not forget about the beauty industry. Prickly pear oil is a hidden gem in the world of skincare. Prickly pear oil is becoming increasingly popular in skincare products due to its hydrating and anti-aging properties. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making it a sought-after ingredient for those looking to maintain youthful, glowing skin. So next time you're enjoying a prickly pear treat, remember that you're not just indulging your taste buds, you're also supporting a growing industry. From the farmers who cultivate these resilient plants to the businesses that innovate and create new products, the prickly pear industry is a testament to the potential of this remarkable fruit. Whether it's in your kitchen, your cocktail, or your skincare routine, prickly pears are making a significant impact.
Section 7, easy prickly pear juice. Quench your thirst, ready to get your hands dirty and make some prickly pear magic? First up, prickly pear juice. Don't worry, it's super simple. Step 1, protect those hands. Wear thick gloves to avoid getting poked by the spines. Step 2, cut off the ends of the prickly pears and make a slit down the middle. Step 3, scoop out the juicy flesh with a spoon. Step 4, blend the flesh with water until smooth. You can add a squeeze of lime for extra zing. Step 5, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or small spines. And there you have it. Pour over ice and enjoy your refreshing homemade prickly pear juice. It's the perfect thirst quencher on a hot day. Section 8, cool down with prickly pear ice cream. Feeling adventurous? Let's step it up a notch and make prickly pear ice cream. This one's a real crowd pleaser. Step 1, follow steps 1 to 5 from the prickly pear juice recipe above. Step 2, in a separate bowl, whisk together heavy cream, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Step 3, gradually whisk in the prickly pear juice until well combined. Step 4, pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once churned, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours to let it firm up. Then scoop, serve, and enjoy. This ice cream is the perfect way to cool down on a hot summer day.
Section 9, prickly but nice, why we love these pears. So there you have it, folks. The prickly pear, a fruit that's a little bit prickly on the outside but bursting with flavor and goodness on the inside. We've learned about its impressive health benefits, the vitamins it provides, and even how AI is helping us understand it better. We've explored the exciting world of prickly pear products and learned how to make our own delicious juice and ice cream. From farm to factory to your kitchen, the prickly pear is making its mark on the world. So next time you see these vibrant fruits at the market, don't be afraid to give them a try. You might just discover your new favorite fruit.